What's going on, guys? Hope you guys have been good and are having a great week as usual. As we're nearing the 2-month mark, it's just about time for the next recent pickups video. If you missed out on the last one, I'll have it linked somewhere on the screen. This segment is usually reserved to help you guys out with where I caught my gear. We'll be going through details like sizing, pricing, and where to get. We've got a little over 10 items for today's video, so sit back, relax, and let's get into item number 1. First up, we've got this sweatsuit set from the good folks over at Pangaia. I've actually been a fan of the brand for a while now. Pangaia really pushes sustainability using cool, innovative techniques. They sent over a set each for my girlfriend and I. I went with the black set as I don't actually have a lot of black items in my closet. So I figured it might be a good opportunity to try something different. These are the heavyweight 365 hoodie and track pants. I got myself a size XXL on the hoodie and a size XL on the track pants. I remember the sizing of Pangaia fitting pretty small, so if you're going for that oversized baggy look, I definitely recommend going up at least one size. This set is too cozy and I've actually had them in my rotation a whole lot, especially the sweatpants. Next up, we have my absolute favorite headgear currently, these Aimé Leon Dore caps. I caught both of them on the drop via the brand's main site. This green piece is from their first spring-summer drop. It's in that classic Aimé Leon Dore green. The great thing about fitteds is that they're easy to cop. Because of the harder resale aspect, resellers don't usually snap them all up. The not so great thing about them is that they're non-adjustable. I don't know about you guys, but my fitted size varies with longer or shorter hair. So it's just a little annoying when it comes to fitteds. But this green piece was a must-have, so it wasn't really that big of a problem. This white and navy cap is from Aimé Leon Dore's second spring-summer drop. It's a strap back with a leather strap. These sold out a lot quicker. I don't usually pick up white or navy caps, but again, I wanted to try out something different. I remember seeing this cap on one of the lookbook photos and it looked way too clean to pass up. The Aimé Leon Dore logos on the side really add the finishing touches and creates a really clean aesthetic to the caps. Safe to say I've been wearing these a lot, guys. Moving on to knitwear, we have this V-neck knit piece from COS. I picked this up at 50% off at my local COS store. This piece is from COS's fall-winter collection from last year. I've actually been eyeing this piece since the start of last season. I had a feeling it might hit the sale racks, so I decided to risk it and hold off on it until sale season. I'm really glad my patience paid off. This piece is so fire, one of my favorite pickups as of late, and for an amazing steal as well. If you're interested in trying out the knitted V-neck trend, this COS piece is a great option. Of course, it is from last season, so it might be a little difficult to find. As for sizing, this piece fits a little bigger than the usual COS. I went for a size L on this when I usually need a size XL for COS. Next up, another piece of headgear, this brown Jacquemus cap. This piece was actually a birthday gift from my girlfriend. I was literally just about to buy this when she surprised me with a whole package for my birthday. She knows my taste too well. She knows I love those clean brown tones. As far as Jacquemus goes, Their main line is pretty pricey, but their caps are much more affordable with prices starting at 80 to 100 US dollars. If you guys are looking to buy into Jacquemus, these caps are a great entry price option for a clean aesthetic with superior quality. These caps come in one size, and it's a really great, clean, simple piece to mix up with your brown tones. On to more cream tones, we have a little more COS. We have this cream COS overshirt and ripped tank top. You guys know I love my overshirts. This COS piece is amazing. Beautiful cream colorway, amazing quality once again. This overshirt isn't too thick as well, so it's really great for some light spring layering. I really like that the texture is pretty solid, so it doesn't crease too easily comparing to linen or cotton shirts. If you're looking for more cream colored layering pieces for spring, I'd highly recommend this. Again, COS fits pretty regular, so I went for a size XL for a slightly oversized fit. After picking up the same in the olive colorway previously, I wanted to get the ripped cotton tank top in a white or cream colorway. It's a little pricey as tank tops go, but COS does have that good quality. This piece is soft and has a slightly thicker texture to it. I've really been enjoying the COS ripped tank top honestly, and again, if you're looking for a piece to layer with during the spring or summer seasons, this ripped cotton tank top is a great piece to think about. It does fit pretty tight. I went for a size XL, but could have gone for a size XXL if COS gave that option. Now on to my Zara pickups. I've really been on Zara lately. Their selections of overshirts have been straight fire. Also, they've added a new section to their online store called Special Prices. It's basically a sales section during off-sale season, so you're able to find pieces at 30 to 50% off mid-season. I picked up this black overshirt at 50% off. As far as Zara goes, this piece has amazing quality. Very solid black cotton overshirt that falls nicely and looks really crisp and clean, especially in your photos. Again, I don't usually wear a lot of black, but I have been wearing this overshirt quite a bit because the look and shape of it is just too good. It goes really well with my Bottega boots as well. As for sizing, I went for a size XL once again for an oversized fit. And lastly, my spring-summer Zara pickups. We have this knitted v-neck vest and linen spring jacket. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I've been wanting to try out the knitted v-neck vest look for a long minute, but just haven't been able to find one that I liked and that fit me right. I finally found this piece from Zara at a really affordable price point. I think it cost about 69.90 Singapore dollars or just about 50 US dollars. This is a spring must-have in my opinion. Such a simple but clean piece for that spring layering. You could choose to layer it or just wear it on its own. If you guys are looking to try out that knitted v-neck vest look, I'd 100% recommend this piece from Zara. As sizing goes, this does fit a little baggy. I went for a size XL. If you're planning on layering it, rather than having it fitted, I definitely recommend going for that size up. And lastly, we have this linen spring jacket. I love white or light colored jackets and have been looking to pick up one for a while now. I saw this linen jacket from Zara in store and was actually really impressed by the quality of it. I think it cost about 110 Singapore dollars or just about 80 US dollars. Really fair price point for a light spring jacket. very thin, breathable, and a great option for your spring wardrobe. I've been wearing this piece quite a bit as well. The colorway is straight beautiful, great for mixing with your light colored fits. The only downside is that it creases really easily, which unfortunately does come with the nature of all linen based clothing. Besides that though, this piece is mad clean and does give off a pretty matured aesthetic. One of the best spring jackets I've found so far for a really fair price point. As far as sizing goes, I went for a size XL for a more oversized fit. And there you go guys. That was part 4 of my recent pickups. Let me know which is your favorite item on the list. With spring summer coming up, I hope this list gave you some cool options or inspirations for your own upcoming spring outfits. But with that being said, that's gonna be it for me today guys. As always, if you enjoyed the video, please drop a like, share or comment. It does help me out with the YouTube algorithm. If you enjoyed my content and would like to support me, please hit that subscribe button. Also, if you want more content from me throughout the week, don't forget to check out my Instagram. And yeah, much love guys. Peace. See you guys again soon.